I got into cars through street racing back in the day, in the late 90s, Central California. We were really heavy on street racing back then. The make, model, and years that we were street racing and what got me into cars was actually the Honda scene, the Honda community. The car that I started with were Honda Civics, hatchbacks, EGs, EKs, big time Honda boy. Favorite place to drive, I would say on the street would be any of the toll roads in Orange County. They're very open, they're smooth roads, very predictable, not that many people on them. Why did I pick the Model Y? Well, this isn't my first Tesla. When I pick a platform that I want to build, it's generally because I haven't seen it done right yet. I did a Model X back in 2017. It was the most modified Model X that I've ever seen, and it was done right in my opinion. I haven't seen anyone do a Model Y right yet, respect at least to my standards. So I wanted to get another Tesla just to do it right. Additionally, to save on the gas and stuff, and it's very convenient, carpool lane since I drive a lot. So there's a number of factors why I got another Tesla, but the reason why I chose the Y is because I wanted to do it right. So generally speaking, doing it right for me would be working with the right companies, with the right parts, getting the car sitting the right way, just doing a full build, generally using high quality parts. My builds are really Japanese inspired, so that's kind of how I go about building the car. But I guess doing it right, in my opinion, it's basically the stance, the kit, usually motor work if done, interior. I mean, it's really hard to explain what I mean by doing it right, but those are all the qualifications that I would consider. The other modifications or the goals for this car, I usually have a vision for the car before I even buy it, and if it looks good in my head, then I'll go ahead and purchase the car. The goal was to make it look very clean, aggressive, something that other car guys that are not really into electric vehicles would also respect. And it's very simple to do that with a car. I chose black for a reason, to kind of hide a lot of the lines that it is a Tesla, because they're kind of weird looking the way that they're designed. You know, Tesla's mainly a tech company. I don't even consider them a car manufacturer. But it's very simple. Full carbon kit. I debadged the car so it looks clean. Suspension is going to be a huge factor in this, which is why I'm here and working with you guys. And then the wheels. After that, as long as it's sitting right, there's nothing much more for me to do. There is wide body flares that haven't gone on the car yet. I have those, so I'm going to be putting those on as well, just to kind of get a more aggressive wheel fitment. But other than that, I think the car will probably reach its completion. Would I consider myself an early adopter of fashion and trends and technology to cars? Fashion, definitely not. I'll buy one shirt, if it fits, I'll get all colors of it and I'll wear it for years. I'm not really into fashion that much. I express my creativity through the way I build my cars, but it really depends. I like old cars, I like new cars. It really depends on the platform, if I see potential in it and if it's never been done before. Those are my two qualifying factors when I go look for what I want to build. It's a lot easier to build something brand new that no one's done right yet because it's so new. So those are way easier to do than older cars. I own two of the cars that I would never let go of now. I have R34 GTR and I have a 2020 Supra with a 2JZ swap in there. I'll never let go of those for any amount. That's it for right now. All the other cars I've let go with, or I don't mind letting go with, but those two are going to stay with me probably forever.